Namaste friends. As we celebrate this festival of the Indian General Chunav, I wanted to put across a sentiment which has been in my mind. You would all know that the force of an expansionist Islam founded in the 7th century in Arabia powered its way across Iraq, Iran, smashed the Persian Empire, even defeated the Eastern Roman Empire, and within a few decades arrived at the banks of the Indus in the 7th century itself. Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh. Since then, that's where expansionist Islam stood for the last 1300 years. Due to the efforts of resistance right from various Rajput clans right up to the Marathas. और आज हम क्या देखते हैं कि कॉन्क्वेस्ट से जो ना बदल पाया कैरेक्टर, वो धीरे धीरे इन्फिल्ट्रेशन और कन्वर्शन एक्टिविटीज से स्वरूप बदल रहा है हमारे देश में. So today we see in states like Assam, West Bengal, that infiltration of Bangladeshi origin people have taken their share of state's populations to 30% and beyond. Similarly, conversion rampant in states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu. They have also upended the demographic balance. हमारी 5000 वर्षों से भी पुरानी संस्कृति, आइडेंटिटी, कैरेक्टर सब बदलाव में है. 1300 वर्षों से जो हमने बरकरार रखा वो आज खतरे में है. This fact is plainly visible to all of us. Yet we see so many parties and groups opposing reforms like the NRC. They want the composition of the nation to change for their benefit. Their policies of vote bank consolidation helps them in their short-term objective of winning this election. What about the long-term flux and shifting sands of our nation's character, which has withstood many a storm? They don't care for that. Fortunately, अब हमारे पास मोदी जी हैं who cares for this balance of the nation. क्या हमारा demographic balance हम बचाएंगे? We see that our majority community is callous. उनको कोई threat नहीं लगता. जब चुनाव आता है, they look for weekends. Polling booth पे who will land up? From 2 kids, it went to 1 and now to Shunya. Managing the character, managing the culture, the Sanskriti of our holy land is in your hands. Vote smart. Namaste.